After the early market has opened, but it's not in a good mood. And you see the market has fallen by almost 440 points by the time I'm recording this video. And what are the reasons behind this? We are going to discuss five main reasons why the market has fallen. Because this market is like it's very fragile at the end of the day. No, market is going up little bit and again it is falling, and that shows that a lot of weakness is there in the market. And as an investor, what we have to do? First of all, let us talk about the five main reasons why this market is falling. First of all is the US election. US election is starting from tomorrow. Of course, within few days we'll come to know who is going to win, whether Trump is going to win or Kamala Harris. But one thing is for sure, no, the market is not sure. There is no surety as to who is going to win, honestly speaking, because if you see the exit poll and all that, no, earlier it was like 60, I think it was 64% chances that Trump is going to win this election. But no, in last few days, suddenly the sides has changed, and some of the states where you can tell as a like a swing state, they are showing that is showing that no Kamala Harris is leading in that states, and that's why no one knows. It's like a tossing a coin, कौन सा आएगा लेकिन हाँ. But at the end of the day, market is watching that. Market is, honestly speaking, if you talk about the market, what market will look feel that no which candidate should win is, I think they are preferring Trump. If Trump wins, it is good for the market and somehow no. But yes, that trade war between US sorry, US and China is going to go up and all that will be an issue. But overall, normally if you see that whenever the Democrats are there at that time, war situation is much more in Republican. No, war situations, Republican means Trump, there the war situation normally comes less compared to Democrats. No, वो हमेशा ऐसा लगता है, no, that something and something happening across the world and they are fueling in the fire at the end of the day. But let's see who are going to win. But yes, market is preferring Trump if they win. And that's why the market is actually now waiting and watching election very closely for next few days. This is one of the main reason of why market is falling. They are not sure. And if see Trump, the problem is lot many things like Kamala Harris. Honestly, when you see the speech of Kamala Harris and all that, you feel that no, she's not having a hold in the on the economics and know what the data should be and all that stuff. Trump is there, but Trump is, it's outspoken. He can do anything. Again, the North Korea, USA thing may start, trade war starts between China, and the policies are quite erratic. Of course, Elon Musk is supporting left, right, center to Trump. But let's see whether he's going to win it. That will come to know for few days. And again, if it goes to the wire, no, there may be a court cases and all that. We have to see that if you remember, no, the second term which Bush won, no, that time also cases were then also. We have to see what the thing is going to happen from tomorrow onwards. But yes, that is one of the factor. Again, this week US Fed is going to meet to whether they are going to cut the interest rate or not. And the expectation is that they will cut at least by 25 basis point. But they are going to closely look at the election, what is going on, because the data and all that is coming very good, which is not supporting US Fed. Even the bond rate has gone to 4.3. Now 4.3 bond rate is a rate now where no US Fed is thinking that no, whether we have cut the 50 basis point rate cut now, is it helping the economy or not? Because at the end of the day, अगर देखो, it is of no meaning even though they cut the interest rate. The thing is, no, the bond yield is on a higher side only. That is not in a comfort zone for the Fed. So yes, we have to see chances are that the 80-90%, almost 25 basis cut is going to come this week. The third thing is that China committee is going to meet in China, and basically that is, I think, National People's Congress Committee. I think 4 days meeting is there, and there is a big stimulus package maybe announced in this week only. And this stimulus package, that China was one of the biggest factor why FI gone from India to China, because China, of course, it is quite undervalued. It's not being performing from last so many years, and that is, I know, because of that undervaluation, suddenly market FI started flowing towards that. Almost more than 1,20,000 crore rupees of selling last month they have done. but we have to see what the new stimulus package is going to come. And it has been said that after COVID crisis, this will be one of the biggest stimulus package in order to recover the China economy. So yes, you have to watch China very, very carefully, what type of stimulus package they are going to announce. That was one of the third reason. The fourth reason is, that the quarterly result of India, basically companies are not coming so good overall. If you see, FMCG was one of the biggest laggard. FMCG literally brought the market down. Okay, if you talk banking, was mixed bag. Of course, the lower spectrum where the MFI loans and microfinance lending and all that. I think we have made a lot of videos on that. You can check the early videos. That is in trouble. Overall, the bigger banks has given a better result. IT overall was okay, and automobiles was mixed bag. Automobiles numbers came. Yes, yes, some of the companies done well because of the festival season overall, but some of the companies like Bajaj Auto did not well. It's fallen by almost 5%. So the overall the result was quite mixed bag eventually, because this is one of a quarter, where no one can say that India Inc is growing. Basically the result is so mixed bag, that you cannot take a judgment that whether we are in a growing situation or in a stagnant situation. So yes, this you have to keep an Indian Inc industry. If you see the even Nifty P ratio is around 22.5 something. Our average P ratio of Nifty is around 18. So that is, I know everyone is feeling that Indian market is quite overvalued as compared to the result what it is coming. And that is why the outflow of FII is there. Yes, domestic flow is there. Actually, 1,20,000 crore rupees selling is done by FI, compared to that 1,15,000 odd crore rupees of buying is done by DI. So it's going hand in hand, and that is what allowing market to fall. So that's a good sign that yes, domestic institutions are quite aggressive. But overall, no, they are also looking at the quarter result. And of course, as an investor also, you have to buy a stock now which is having a good results, and of course it is performing over the time, and results are in sync with the valuation. If the valuation is too high and the results are not coming good, sorry, but that stock is going to fall. And the fifth and the last important reason is there is a good amount of profit booking happening among the investor. If you call about FII, even if you call about institution, and they are actually basically punishing all the stocks which are giving, even they are missing a little bit there. You can say that the results, it's been hitted left, right, center. So of course profit booking is there. Now you may say no, but DI is buying, but DI is buying not at level the way the profit booking is there. And whenever the buying happens, normally they wait for the price to come down and then they buy. So this you have to keep in mind, when you are talking about any stock, that yes, this is, see, at the end of the day, you are going to earn return when the stock is performing over the time. Okay, and the valuation is always a reasonable. This thing valuation is going to go up too much, there will be a profit booking, and profit booking is there in the market. Otherwise it could not fall like 440 450 points today. It's a big fall honestly. When the market started, no one seen this coming. Morning when I give my commentary also, the market was flat, almost 25 basis 25 points up only. Gift Nifty, how you can have a such type of fall? That shows that there is a open selling happening in the market, and maybe profit booking or something is coming there which we don't know. At least in US, when we talk about almost how much Warren Buffett is having now surplus money than even the Fed is having. Means Warren Buffett has bought bonds which is almost more than the Fed, and that shows that no, what Warren Buffett is seeing, what we are not seeing, we don't know. But at the end of the day, this election, this Fed policy, and the disappointment quarterly result is not happening. And now again, all and about that, no, the China is like, no, China is also an X factor when it is pulling money towards that country. Okay, so these are the some of the reasons you have to keep in mind when you go and buy this stock. But honestly, as an investor, I think you should take this opportunity with both the hand. All these things will come and go. US election is there. After 2 weeks, maybe everyone is not talking about that. Again, they will be seeing the no macro picture and all that. Similarly, Fed policy will come and go. Quarterly result ये होगा खत्म तो दूसरे पे फोकस होगा. But the company, whichever is giving a good result, you don't have to worry about it. If it is available at a cheaper valuation, please go and buy that stock without any problem and stay invested for a long time. So guys, these are the reasons. Hope you like this video. If you like it, do like and share this video to everyone. Again guys, if you want to see our stock recommendation services, the link is given below. Please go and check it out and do attend our master class guys. In that master class, believe me, you are going to get 3 secrets and 21 golden rules which will change the way you are investing in this market. Okay, so I'll see you soon there. Bye bye. And yes, if you have any question related to any stocks and sector, put it in the comments. See you then. Bye bye.